In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Arcane Odyssey on console. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can find and join the Arcane Odyssey experience. This is going to work for any console, so PlayStation and Xbox. You will notice that I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, this process is going to be the same across all platforms. All that you have to do is open Roblox and look for Arcane Odyssey. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that this is only going to work if you have a keyboard and mouse connected. So if you are playing on a console, you need to connect a keyboard and mouse or else you will not be able to play properly. So you cannot use a controller. So once you find the Arcane Odyssey experience, all that you have to do is go ahead and join. You can confirm that it is the official one because it is developed by Vetex Games. They are verified and they have more than 100 million visits on Arcane Odyssey. And like I said, upon joining, you just need to go ahead and plug a keyboard and mouse on one of the available USB ports on your console, either PlayStation or Xbox. By doing this, you will be able to play through the experience, so you can use the mouse to navigate around the menus, click start, select your character and continue, and then the keyboard is going to be used alongside the mouse to move your camera and do actions inside of the game. So the buttons are all going to be the same between PC and console. It seems like there are no plans to add full controller support, and because there are many actions that you need to use, many commands, many combos, it is recommended that you play using a keyboard and mouse either way. So connect the keyboard and mouse to your console and then find and join Arcane Odyssey. If you have problems using the keyboard and mouse, try to look for guides or try to troubleshoot the issue and see if the problem is attributed to the experience or the actual keyboard and mouse combo that you are trying to use inside of Roblox on your console. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Arcane Odyssey on console. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.